that's what I did. One lap of a block, and I went to the bird markets, the goldfish markets, the flower markets, and the fruit markets. These are beautiful. There are so many different birds. Check this out. The weather is 33 today, but it feels like 41, it says. I don't know what it is about plants. It's just calming. Turtles. They got turtles. Welcome to Hong Kong. And what better way to start my Hong Kong journey than to visit my childhood icon, the great, the one and only Bruce Lee. There he is. How you going, Bruce? Check this place out. Hong Kong. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do today. Got plenty of adventures to start with, but I thought I'd begin by starting off visiting my mate, Bruce. So we'll start it here and then we'll head off and look for what Hong Kong has got to offer us, eh? So let's see what's next. So I'm in Hong Kong. I spent the morning down on the harbour, where it's all touristy, but I'm actually staying in Mong Kok. My best mate told me about this place, that when you come to Hong Kong, you got to stay in Mong Kok. So I had a look around and to see what's around here, and there's a few interesting places, a few interesting spots. So I thought I'd go and explore them. Oh yeah. So around here, you've got all these different markets that are quite interesting. So you got the birds market, you got the goldfish market, you got the flower markets. So I thought I'd do a little bit of exploring and check them out. So first up, we're checking out the bird markets. So it's part of their culture where people from Hong Kong love birds. Check this out. These are beautiful. There are so many different birds. Check this out. Cool. So cool. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I thought that's a pretty good start. checking out the bird markets. Head this way. It's hot today. So I arrived yesterday, so we arrived last night. So I'm here with my wife and my 2 little boys. And we arrived last night. So this morning we decided to go down to Victoria Harbour and check that out. Pretty cool, very touristy. I like this part better. I like this area a little bit better actually because it's more authentic. It's proper Hong Kong. It's a quite unique city actually. So, but I love it. This area is a little bit more fascinating for me. So you got the different markets and you got the little streets with all the different food, all the different food you can eat. But it's pretty cool. We'll head down here. I think the flower markets are down here. We'll go give that a look. Go give that a go. Have a look at that. Plus I'm walking through a park and it's 33. The weather is 33 today, but it feels like 41. It says it does. It's hot. But what can I say about Hong Kong? It's a very different city. It's very different to what I'm used to in Sydney. It's vibrant, it's alive, it's a true metropolis. It doesn't sleep, mate, this place. But the thing is, nothing really opens up until 11 a.m. anyway, so I guess they do sleep. So this area, I think it's more residential. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Check out these buildings. So I think we're coming up to the flower markets, and then from there we'll head over to the Goldfish markets. Give that a go. See what that's about. Oh, here we go. I like these markets. I don't know if you know, I'm a bit of a gardener. So got a few fruit trees at home. Check out this lemon tree. I don't know what it is about plants. It's just calming. It's calming in nature. I think I'll head down this way. There's supposed to be another markets around here. I think they're the goldfish markets. I wanted to check them out, see what they got. Every building here is a skyscraper. Every single one. But yeah, like this morning, I woke up at 6 a.m. Bit of a sleeping because I'm normal. It's when it's 6 a.m. here, It's 8 a.m. at home, back in Sydney. So I had a bit of a sleep in. So I went outside, went for a bit of a walk, and there was nothing open, nothing. So these guys do sleep in. Very different to what we're used to in Sydney. 6 a.m. people going for runs, going to the gym, grabbing breakfast. Been here one day, love it already. The people are nice. I got my little kids in prams, and I'm pushing them around everywhere I go. I don't know if it's white kids, but the locals love them. They'll come up, say hello. It's actually nice. It's nice. It's friendly. It's peaceful. It's one of those cities where, honestly, there's nothing dodgy about this place. There might be an underbelly, but as a tourist coming here, got no worries in the world. None. Let's cross. Whenever I go on a holiday, this is the stuff that I love doing. Just random back streets. Same what the locals do. Check out this street. Oh my god. How am I going to cross this road? I think there is no street that typifies what Hong Kong is. I think I found the perfect street. It's got to be this one. Check this out, hang on. What a spot. You got the new building and the old, hang on. What a building! Look at that! That's stunning. That's stunning. Oh, I think we're here. This is a goldfish area. This is what I was looking for. I saw there's a statue over there with a goldfish. Hang on. I think this is the beginning of it. Seriously, there is nothing like this place. And let me tell you, the smell of the place, it smells amazing. It just smells like food. Yeah. Food's their life here. Food's everything. Anyway, let's go look for these goldfish. This is the street, Goldfish Street. Hello. thought I saw a bream in there. One of the bags had a bream. Mad big silver bream. Every shop, goldfish. The goldfish markets, mate. How cool is this? I'm gonna bring my kids here later. The thing is, they're gonna want to take home some goldfish, but we can't. We're headed to Tokyo in a couple of days, going to Disneyland. Oh, look at little bunnies. Love these things. Turtles. They got turtles. Now we're getting busy. You keep going down this way. I think they call it Sneaker Street. Just a whole street. They sell sneakers. Everything. Sneakers. The whole street. I'll do that a little bit later on though. I'm not going to do that now. It's 40. It's 33 degrees. I'm dying. I think I'm going to head back, have a rest. Basically, I've just done a lap around. Yeah, that's what I've done. I've done a lap of the block from where my hotel is, and I've hit 3 markets. This place is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I haven't even started on the food yet. What more can I say? See, when you come to Hong Kong, don't go to the touristy places. Come to Mong Kok. It smells amazing. People are amazing. The food, oh my god, here we go. Look at this place. Wow. Wow. It's a roast goose. A roast goose. Look, more markets. Look. It never ends. It never ends. Look at this out. What a shot. I love this place. Anyway. Let's have a quick look at the fruit markets. I don't know what these markets are. Well, these are at the end of the street. So, anyway. Thought I'd have a quick look. It just goes, but it continues to go all the way down. So, clothing, I don't know. Fashion, fruit, birds, goldfish, whatever you want, bro. Whatever you want, you can get here. did a lap of a block. That's what I did. One lap of a block. And I went to the bird markets, the goldfish markets, the flower markets, and the fruit markets. The first little exploration of Mong Kok. Just done a little happy lap. I love this place. Anyway, heading back to the hotel. Look. My hotel's just here. Staying at the Royal Plaza. It's alright. Nothing to complain about. It's good. First impressions of Hong Kong. I love this place. Found my way back to the hotel. Got lost for a bit. That's alright. It's part of the adventure. That's it. That's how you enjoy Hong Kong.